My name is Jannie and I belong to the Radboud Institute for Biological and Environmental Sciences, abbreviated as RIBES or RIBES in Dutch. I'm very happy to share the news that our team was awarded a voucher of €50,000 to perform interdisciplinary research at our university. We want to investigate essential oils as an alternative for conventional pesticides. So how is this project interdisciplinary? Starting within RIBES, I in first instance teamed up with Radboud, who has access to and is experienced with gas and liquid chromatography mass spectrometry and QTOF mass spectrometry. These are both fields that I am not familiar with as an ordinary plant scientist. Outside our own institute and belonging to the Institute of Molecules and Materials, physicist Simona Krautescu brings in expertise in gas sensing at trace levels, and chemist Paul Kauer, with his knowledge on hydrogels, will be able to help designing experiments on how to ensure slow release of essential oils. Further afield, outside our own university, there is biologist and wine grower Chris Peltzer and Ron Heren from Maastricht Multimodal Molecular Imaging Institute, or M4I, as they loosely call it. Chris and Ron have worked together before, visualizing the spatial distribution of molecules on plant leaves using MALDI mass spectrometry imaging. So what's the problem? I think you all realize that despite the fact that synthetic pesticides help to maintain crop yields, their use has detrimental effects on ecosystems and human health. So alternative plant protection strategies are really needed. Our team would like to provide such an alternative by using essential oils as green pesticides. Essential oils are aromatic volatile liquids, which are obtained from plant material, usually by steam distillation. They are environmental friendly, biodegradable, and have a broad spectrum of activity against plant pathogens. Work of other scientists show the effectiveness of essential oil is mainly due to triggering resistant pathways within the host plant. As shown here, Rob already produced the first chromatograms showing the components present in oregano oil. In the background of the video message, you see an artistic representation of part of the vineyard of Chris Peltzer. Chris is a biologist and an organic wine grower, and he's vital for our team because we chose to work on a case study in viticulture for this one-year project. Grapevine is sensitive to many diseases, of which downy mildew, shown here, is a much feared pathogen. So summing up the components of our experimental system, we have the host plant grapevine, the pathogen downy mildew, and a green pesticides oregano essential oil. The strong point of this project is that we not only set up an experimental greenhouse and laboratory system with a scientific focus on the underlying mechanism, but at the same time, we are working on a reliable and practical distribution of essential oil compounds in the field. The expectation is that the results can be extrapolated to other crops.